There is nothing quite like a cup of tea brewed from herbs you have grown yourself. The aroma, the taste, and the satisfaction of knowing that you nurtured these plants from seed to cup is unparalleled. Imagine stepping out into your garden, snipping a few fragrant leaves, and moments later, savoring the taste of pure, homegrown goodness. The process is not just about the end product, but also about the journey of growing and tending to your plants. Growing your own tea garden is a rewarding experience that engages your senses and provides a wealth of health benefits. The sight of lush green leaves, the smell of fresh herbs, and the taste of a well-brewed tea can be incredibly therapeutic. This guide focuses on 3 easy-to-grow herbs: chamomile, mint, and lemon balm. These herbs are not only simple to cultivate but also versatile in their uses, making them perfect for any beginner gardener. These herbs not only make delicious teas but also attract pollinators to your garden, creating a haven for beneficial insects. Bees and butterflies will flock to your garden, enhancing the biodiversity and health of your garden ecosystem. Starting your tea garden is simpler than you might think. With just a few basic tools and some initial effort, you can set up a thriving herb garden that will provide you with fresh ingredients for your teas. With a little care and attention, you'll soon be enjoying the fruits of your labor. Regular watering, occasional pruning, and a bit of love are all it takes to maintain a healthy and productive tea garden. So, why not start today and create your own garden of tea delights? Chamomile, with its delicate daisy-like flowers, is renowned for its calming properties. To grow chamomile, choose a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Sow the seeds directly into the ground after the last frost, or start them indoors a few weeks earlier. Chamomile prefers a soil pH of 5.6 to 7.5. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering as chamomile is susceptible to root rot. Once the plants are established, you can enjoy their beautiful blooms and harvest the flowers for tea. Mint, with its invigorating aroma and refreshing taste, is a staple in many gardens. This versatile herb thrives in moist, well-drained soil and prefers partial shade. Plant mint from seeds or cuttings in spring after the last frost. To ensure healthy growth, pinch off the tips of the stems regularly to encourage bushier growth. When harvesting, cut the stems just above a pair of leaves, leaving enough foliage for the plant to continue growing. Section 4. Lemon Balm, a citrusy delight. Lemon balm, with its delightful lemony scent, is a joy to grow and a treat for the senses. This aromatic herb belongs to the mint family and is known for its calming properties. Its leaves can be used fresh or dried in teas, salads, and even desserts, adding a refreshing citrusy flavor. This perennial herb enjoys full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It thrives in a variety of garden settings, from herb gardens to mixed borders. Lemon balm is quite adaptable and can tolerate different soil types, though it prefers rich, moist soil. You can propagate lemon balm from seeds, cuttings, or by dividing established plants. Starting from seeds can take a bit longer, but it's a rewarding process. Cuttings and divisions are quicker methods and ensure that you get a clone of the parent plant. Lemon balm is a vigorous grower and can spread quickly. In ideal conditions, it can become quite bushy and may take over garden spaces if not managed properly. Its rapid growth makes it an excellent ground cover. To keep it in check, plant it in a container or a designated area of your garden. Containers are especially useful if you have limited space or want to prevent it from spreading too much. Raised beds can also help contain its growth. Regularly harvesting the leaves will help keep the plant tidy and encourage new growth. Pruning not only maintains the plant's shape but also promotes a denser foliage. Freshly harvested leaves can be used immediately or dried for later use. Section 5. Savor the fruits of your labor. Growing your own tea garden is a rewarding experience that allows you to connect with nature and enjoy the freshest, most flavorful herbal teas. The process of nurturing your plants from tiny seeds to full-grown herbs is incredibly fulfilling. Each step, from planting to harvesting, brings you closer to the earth and its natural rhythms. Imagine stepping outside on a warm afternoon, gathering a handful of herbs from your garden, and brewing a soothing cup of chamomile tea. The aroma of freshly picked chamomile flowers fills the air, creating a calming atmosphere that helps you unwind and relax. Or, picture yourself starting your day with a refreshing cup of mint tea, picked fresh from your backyard. The invigorating scent of mint leaves awakens your senses, providing a natural boost to your morning routine. These simple pleasures are just a few of the joys of growing your own tea garden. It's not just about the tea, it's about the entire journey. From the first sprout to the final brew, each moment is a celebration of nature's bounty. This journey promises a bountiful harvest of flavor, fragrance, and well-being, enriching your life in ways you never imagined.